What's up, military millionaires? Have you ever felt burnout? I know that I have, and I know that you probably have, but what I want to talk to you about is how you can avoid burnout by doing something really simple and something that feels extremely counterintuitive. There's this thing in the hustle culture world that we do where we hustle, 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 don't sleep, don't do this, work, work, hustle, breathe, don't watch football, don't do video games, don't do this, don't do that. You're wasting time, oh my gosh. It's very easy for us to get burnt out because we don't take time out of our busy lives to schedule a break. And I know that taking a break or relaxing feels and sounds like it very well could be counterproductive, especially if you're trying to hustle and you're trying to do this and you're trying to do that, trying to build an empire. The reality is that if you don't do that, you will get burnt out. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. It's going to happen. I am a prime example. When I first got here to San Diego, I was trying to meet with everybody I could. I was doing all this stuff for my business. I was trying to get my house set up. I was working ridiculous hours for the Marine Corps, and life was just crazy. And I just hit a wall. And I thought that the reason I hit this wall was because I was so busy. And so I took some time off, right? But what I did was I just left white space in my schedule. And I said, hey, like for this 3 hours, I am going to do nothing. And that's going to be my relaxation. And that's great in theory, but it didn't freaking work. It accomplished nothing for me because there's an issue with that. When you're a hustler and you're wrapped up in this whole hustle porn culture thing where it's just like go, 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 if you just stop and piddle on your phone for 2 hours, you feel like it was unproductive time, and you feel like it was wasted time, and you feel like you could have done more with your time, and you get no benefit from it because you're kicking yourself for taking that time off. So the secret is to physically write into your calendar, I will go to the movies for 3 hours. I will go surfing for 2 hours. Today I took a book, a real estate book, so it was educational, and I literally just put on short shorts, went to the swimming pool, and sat by the edge of the pool and sat in the sun for an hour and a half and read a book. My phone was inside. The only thing I had with me was a book, a highlighter, and a cup of water. And so I forced myself to say, for this 90 minutes, I am going to do this. My mission, my objective, my hustle for this time is to take 90 minutes to learn and relax and rejuvenate. And then I came back in and I filmed like 3 videos, I ate dinner, and I came here to film even more videos because I was able to benefit from that. So what you need to do is you need to physically schedule downtime into your schedule, schedule relaxation into your schedule, and I tell you, this is not an easy thing to do. It's easier said than done. My roommate, for example, is a recon Marine, super high D, if you're familiar with the disc scale, like just go, 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 kind of David Goggins mentality. And he was getting burnt out. He's got this new job, he's working all these crazy hours, and so I like forced him, and I don't know that it was me forcing him, but we forced ourselves to take some time off on a Saturday or a Friday or whatever it was and just like go relax. Like we legitimately got a massage. It was super weird. Like we're like 2 dudes. We're like here to get a massage, not a couple's massage, but get massages. Like we ate dinner out, which we never do. We always cook our own healthy food. We just kind of laid off for like 4 hours. And dude, the next day was insane. We got so much crap done. It was like whole new world, like that song, the whole new world. Anyway, and it was great. So my encouragement for you is this, and I say this knowing that I wake up at 3:55, 4 every morning. I'm hustling, I'm working till night, it's sunset, we're filming videos, I'm gonna be up at 4:30 tomorrow. Like, I'm all about the hustle and grind. But if you don't give yourself time to force yourself to relax and unwind and remember why you're doing all this, you're gonna get burnt out and it's gonna be super unproductive, because when that wall hits, you get way less done over that day that you're burnt out, or weekend that you're burnt out, or whole week or whole month that you're burnt out and just not in the zone, than you would if you just took 3 or 4 hours off, hell, 2 hours every weekend to just relax and remember why you're alive, right? Don't get so wrapped up in trying to create a life for yourself that you forget to live your life now. Have a great night, and go take some freaking time off this weekend. You earned it.